Hello, guys. I found a temperature-controlled soldering iron that is really good, portable, easy to carry, and heats up very quickly. The fastest time is only about 15 seconds. The depth to mean AC voltages from 90 volts to 265 volts. Its uniqueness also lies in it can monitor the grounding status in real time and long, which is a very rare function. But it is really practical. The soldering iron handle is a stable structure, very light, smooth and comfortable. You can choose any shape of soldering iron tip that you are accustomed to. This is obviously more economical than the integrated structure of the soldering iron tip and the heating core. Overall, the performance is better than some famous brands, and the price is very affordable. It can also automatically sleep. It is rare to have such excellent performance and cost performance at the same time. You can try it with confidence.
Our tech, practical, user-friendly, durable.